So stop, stop, stop. If you reach this reading, then definitely it's for a reason. So this is a special reading, and your person, the person on your mind, is like really jealous of you when you talk to the people of opposite gender. So we are gonna check what this person thinks about you. This person can be your crush, could be your love interest, no contact, less contact, could be any person. Also, this person can be a crush. Let me make it clear. So this person can be any person on your mind. So the person on your mind is like really jealous of you. If you're watching this reading, then definitely this person is like jealous of you. Like, why are you talking to the opposite gender people? So yeah, this person is jealous of you. Let us gather more thoughts what this person feels when you are talking to people of opposite gender. So this person thinks that you are someone who can easily find anyone, like you can get easily married to anyone, so you don't have literally less options, you have a lot of options. So this person thinks that you are having multiple options, so this makes this person like actually very insecure about losing you, like that is coming really strong. This person is like actually suppressing their feelings because they don't want to restrict you in some way, because you are an independent person, but you won't listen to anyone's whatever anyone is saying to you in a negative way or something, like you won't take negative. So that is like coming really strong. So this person is like hesitating to speak to you, but they are really insecure when it comes to your opposite gender people. Like this person looks at you, they may be showing you that they are not looking at you when you're talking to people of your opposite gender, but they are actually looking at you. They are having an eye at each and every conversation you are having with the people of your opposite gender, and they look at you like they are helpless, like they can't do anything. So this is what they keep on wondering about. What if you get this person as an option? What if you get that person as an option? Like you have a lot of options. Even though you think that you don't have a lot of options, this person definitely thinks that you have a lot of options. This person on your mind definitely looks at you and they feel literally helpless, like they can't come to you to restrict you to talk while you are talking to other people. They are not able to come towards you and tell you not to talk to other people of opposite gender. Also, they are trying to suppress their feelings, like so that they don't come towards you. They don't want to make you realize your importance actually. Yeah, this person feels actually stuck. And also, जैसे होता है कि this person's friend could be telling them कि you will lose this person, so confess your feelings, or be true with your feelings, or tell this person not to talk to opposite gender people. You will lose this person because there is a lot of competition. You can get anyone easily. So yeah, this person is like really insecure, and their friends are also telling them to secure their seat with you. So that is coming like really strong. This person keeps on watching you, daydreaming about you, fantasizing about you. Yes, daydreaming and fantasizing about you, thinking a lot about you, do what do. But I think this person is not taking any action right now. They are just looking and they are feeling as if they are helpless. So yeah, I would say this. As well as they are weighing out options, they are thinking if they should come to you or not. There are multiple things going through their mind, like also related to career, different things, different matters of their life. They also don't want to lose you, but also they are not able to focus on you because this person is like really into a lot of things, busy right now. But this person definitely doesn't want to lose you, but this person fears losing you. That is a fact. But this person won't show you that they are insecure about losing you. But they think that you have a lot of option, and anytime you can get like with anyone, like it won't take you time to get in a relationship with anyone. So yeah, this person feels that insecure. Also, this person sometimes feel like talking to you, but they don't speak. Yeah, because they don't want to restrict you in some way, or they don't want to be rude. For some of you, this person can speak out, but to a limit, I definitely feel, because you are not given anyone that right to be rude with you. So that is coming across, like you won't have given, you are a very strict person when it comes to being talking to someone and talking about someone. Like it is like you have built those boundaries, like no one can talk to you in a rude way directly. So like that is coming, you have built that self respect, so which is like stopping this person to come towards you. Also, this person doesn't want to be sound too possessive about you. Also, they don't want to show you that they are too possessive about you. So yeah, there is an equal give and take of things. They know that you might be having feelings for them, but again, still they are insecure. Like that is coming across. So for personalized reading, you can DM me on Instagram predictions by Sia, or message me on Instagram predictions by Sia. Predictions by Sia Instagram link is in the description of this video or main channel bio of Predictions by Sia YouTube channel. So thank you for watching.